Set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with... Excellent! Cool! We're always happy to help. That's perfect! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Excellent! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done! That was so close. Let's try again. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's the way! Excellent! We all love your train set! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Excellent! We're always happy to help.